name is Elena. I'm Russian, living in Delhi for the last 20 years. I'm Buddhist by belief, Tibetologist by profession. I study Tibetan texts, I practice, and I love to go to Himalayas. This year, on 25th April, I was on trek with some clients in remote, sacred, and very, very beautiful Tsum Valley in Nepal on Tibet border. We happened to be 20 kilometers from the epicenter of the earthquake. Landslides came down on both sides, literally 100 meters from us. It's a sheer miracle we all are alive today. We got back to Kathmandu amidst endless scenes of destruction, wounded mountains, flattened villages, broken trees, broken bodies. I still see it all when I close my eyes. A young woman sitting on the pile of stones, which used to be her home. She's pointing into one corner. My son is lying there. My daughter is there. Here is my husband and my mother-in-law. This used to be my home. And now I don't even have a rope to hang myself. I have never been a socially active person. Whenever something bad happened in this world, I would pray. I might donate some money, but I would go back to my normal life thinking that somebody else would take care of it. Being in this earthquake changed everything for me. Those images are like nails in my brain. I can't let them out. I need to do something to help those affected to rebuild their lives. So, together with Santosh and Bhupen, directors of travel company who organized our trek, we registered non-profit organization, a fantastic initiative.
One of our first projects was providing logistics for relief operations immediately after the earthquake. So we used our network, we called friends, family, and also professional services to give out cars, trucks, buses to people who were taking food, shelter, medical teams to villages outside of Kathmandu.
A month later, we were ready to start Cash for Work project in Tsum. But situation on the ground was changing very fast, and suddenly the shortage of food became the main concern. We were approached by Tsum Valley Committee with urgent request to deliver food supplies to the valley before the monsoon. Logistically, it was a difficult task for us, since the only way to get supplies there is by helicopter. The day before we went to Tsum, we informed the villagers, so when we arrived with the first chopper, everybody were waiting for us. The whole village, including very old people and small children, with the help of a few soldiers stationed nearby, carried supplies to a half-destroyed school. A word was sent around to all other villages, and early morning the next day, people started assembling, and soon we could start the distribution. Life in those Himalayan villages has always been very tough. After the earthquake, the very survival of many villages is in question. For it is not only the homes and schools that were destroyed, but also the sources of livelihood, like livestock, farmlands, water resources, and the mountain passes which provide access locals and tourists alike. The rehabilitation will take many years. We realized that children are the most severely affected by the earthquake, and that's why we want to concentrate on rebuilding schools in remote mountain areas. Our organization is very small. I believe that small organizations are more flexible and effective in terms of identifying areas where help is needed and utilizing funds. I also believe that our personal involvement makes difference.